Alright guys, I'm doing this video for two reasons. First, it's a great gift idea for the holiday season. Second, I just want to talk about it because I love these things, and when I saw them at the show, I met those guys at the trade show, I thought, what absolutely great things. Shiny, of course, love shiny. What it is are Metal Time. That's a brand called Metal Time, and there's some models, kind of discount models, but they're different. They're not as accurate, but they're really cool and shiny. They're made of metal, as you already probably guessed by the brand, and I can tell you, no, you would not be able to use the magnets with it because it's a stainless steel, which is bad news. You cannot use the stencils is easy. You have to use tape. Great news, you're gonna stay forever in a great look because it's a stainless steel. And this one was already painted for us by Gerald Mendes. Really, really talented piece. I love how it looks. Amazing artwork on a tray. So you can just build them and enjoy as they are, or you can build them and enjoy them as a paint. Candy Toe by Kratex works great on those. They make it look great, and we're gonna have the project with this plane already. Have something planned, and pretty much everything here. When we get a chance, we're gonna start painting, and that's already prepared. This one for the next paint job. So you can see I already have some stuff I stole from the booth. That's going to be painted. They have so many different options, from really simple, like this little tank, and by the way, they're licensed by World of Tanks. If you guys fans there, definitely have one of those as a friend. They have official license for it, and this is really simple. It's just 1 hour build, pretty much estimated for something easy to start with. They have really complicated ones, like the Big Ben or whatever it is. They have the motorcycle. One of those friends for sure have one of those. The submarine here. We have the space station, right? Pretty cool. And we have, you have to just choose on the SprayGunner, just go and search for Metal Time brand. Again, there's something different, so not obvious for many people, like what the hell is this? But that's what it is. So they come as the boxes, simple boxes. Everything is flat there. So what you have to do is that, and they have like a toolkit for it, or some of them actually have included tools. You just check the description. You pretty much bend this metal, put it apart, bend it, and then put it together and bend again, for this little kind of notches thing. That's how we took apart this train part, for example. So this has a cuts in it, which will go on the side here, and then we use pliers and just twist the piece of metal there to go in, and no screws, no nothing. Some of them are so cool that they have actually mechanics in, like the gears. Look at this plane. I can do that, and the plane will took off. You see all the engines rotate. It's really, really neat, really nice. This thing I have having batteries in it. Like I can put this on, and let me see. Look at this, really cool. Again, just one of those quick videos for you to understand the product a little more, what it is, and this one I really personally enjoy, and I'm gonna have a huge collection here eventually, SprayGunner, so when you come visit, you'll be able to enjoy some of those painted models too. Check it out, Metal Time and SprayGunner. Thanks for watching.